You didn't subscribe to this channel yet? So just go ahead and click on the red color subscribe button so that you will be get subscribed, and don't miss our upcoming videos from Creative Cache. So let's get started. So the things you need, the first one is jumper wires that are female and male ones. We need a pair of them. So we will need the rubber and knife and the 18650 lithium ion cell battery. If you need the original one, you have to go with laptop batteries. Old laptop batteries, I have picked up one with the old laptop battery, and this is a step-up module for the charging and recharging the battery stuff. um, so let's see what to do with the rubber. So so the rubber looks like this. So we are making a small um, a small gap, fix the module inside the rubber. So after cutting that space to fit it, the space is perfectly enough to settle the module inside the cabin. So we will require a small hole underneath the rubber. Before getting that to be done, we shall solder the wires onto the module so that it will be very easy to handle. So let's solder them. This type of power bank is a sort of a hidden power bank which is used in the colleges and wherever you need when you are not too sure that you are having a power bank with you. In that case, the power bank resembles like a rubber, so that you will not be catched up. So that's the main thing. You can use whatever battery you need, but in my case that I'm using lithium ion cell battery, because lithium ion cell battery has 3.7 volt 3300 milliampere battery that I'm using now on this video, because it is the only thing which can provide a sufficient battery backup for the charging the mobiles and that stuff. Maximum it can go within a half an hour. It can reach up to 0 to 50%, I hope. And let's see, I have fixed it all by the way. So I'm going to insert that cover so that it won't it won't expose the module to others. So I'm just cut out the anabond gum so that I can easily fix the wrapper on the rubber very easily. So let's do it. By using this power bank, that is something so pretty new to everyone, and it is so worthy when it is compared to the 7805 IC regulated and with 9 volt battery. It can charge, but there is no limited capacity for the longer period of time to get it to be charged. For that I'm using this sort of technique, this sort of battery, so that it will be perfectly optimized to give it a perfect battery backup as well as charging capability for the smartphones as well as the normal keypad phones, as you know. So I am doing this. So you can do whatever it's your choice about the battery department, so it's up to you. So I have connected the female jumper wire to the module, I mean that mean the rubber. So I'm going to solder the pair of another male jumper wire to the 18650 battery, so that I can easily plug that out and plug it into the module. So whenever it is need, so even I can change the battery if I don't need that when it gets exhausted even. So I'm just now soldering it to the positive side of the gray one and the negative side of the white wire. So that's it. So I'm just going to wrap that using the insulation tape, so that it won't be harmed by sorting them itself. So that is very very important in the lithium cells, because even when it get to start sorted, it can catch fire. So that's it. So when I use it connected correctly, uh, then I can make it to get charged just for a few minutes, so that you can notice that there is a red color light glowing inside inside the rubber, so that it gets charged the lithium ion cell. So when the lithium ion cell is fully charged, I will get you to the charging charging section. So finally it is charged. I will just pause the video so that it won't take long time to get too bored on seeing that getting charged. So that as you see, the iPhone is getting charged. So this, by the way, the phones will get to be charged. So heads up. Then moving up on to the another one, another cell phone, that is keypad phone. Have said it earlier. So that's it. um yeah, here is the USB cable that I'm going to charge the keypad phone. So as you can see that I'm holding a keypad phone to get to be charged. So when I connect it, it shows that charger is connected. So it started to charging. So that's it. So thank you guys for watching this, and I hope that you all like this video. If you liked it, please click the like button and click the subscribe button, so it will give me a perfect motivation. So thank you.